Hi everyone, I'm Ken from Crypto Trading KS and BORSOG Trader. If you're new, welcome, and welcome back KS family and the BORSOG clan. If I can do it, you can do it. If you can do it small, you can do it large. Let's have a look at Rule 7, Buying Creates Profits. This is an incredibly important rule. It's literally where you buy will dictate your profit, more so than when you sell. In the masterclass, we talk a lot about the 10% per week rule, and also on the Crypto Trading KS channel. If you make 10% off $1,000, you'll make $100. But if you made that in a week, not in a year, your annualized return on investment, when you roll it over, is really quite astounding. That means that you can grow a small amount into a much larger amount, but it requires that you have the knowledge. You need the rules, you need the patience, having a positive excellence focus to fight self-doubt and self-sabotage, and you need a lot of techniques. We discuss those in the masterclass. If you're new to the channel, a very warm welcome, and you're probably saying, Ken, what the heck is BORSOG? BORSOG is Rule 621, buy on red, sell on green. This puts you on the right side of the percentage. I invented BORSOG trading to give people hope, because no matter what the market is doing, you can always BORSOG, and I want to prove it to you. For example, on the BORSOG Trader channel, and please subscribe if you haven't managed to subscribe just yet. What I do is I share trades, and these trades are shared when the crypto market is actually coming down. It's not like everything is rosy. In fact, I'll give you an understanding of how not rosy the crypto market is. The BORSOG channel and trades were actually made as Bitcoin was coming down like this. This is really good to keep in mind. Most people in the crypto market are talking about crypto winter and all sorts of things and not understanding how you can make money. We can make money through BORSOG, and I'll prove it again and again and again to you. A lot of people approach the crypto market and indeed stock markets and Forex saying, I want my Lamborghini, I want retirement. Life doesn't kind of work that way. You have to work really, really hard and pass through a lot of different zones to get towards success. And I call it the LKM zones, learning, knowledge, and mastery. When we're talking about BORSOG, it's all start small and scale. Just use coffee money. You want to get into the concept of timing the market. You want to get into the market synchronicity. BORSOG is an in and out methodology. Always remember, you control the trade, but the market controls the return. Just go slow to go fast. Learn through experience. You'll get patience, and also you'll find realistic expectations. A lot of people don't know where price can go. Over time, you'll figure it out. And it's also about getting in synchronization with market movements, recognizing patterns, building confidence. As it's in and out, it's not HODL, which is hold on for dear life, and it's not DCA, which is dollar cost averaging. This is making money and churning and burning. I want to show you a trade I did, and this trade was in the 27th. You can see that price was coming down, and we know Bitcoin's gravity controls the crypto market. As price comes down, 99% of the alts will move with Bitcoin's gravity. And this is something I talk about every day on the Crypto Trading KS channel. The link is in the description. For this trade, we're going to look at UNFI Protocol DAO, which offers users the ability to develop DeFi solutions for their enterprise. Sounds pretty cool. And please always do your own research. I don't endorse any specific crypto. What I do here is that I just put examples, trading examples together for our beloved BORSOG clan. I want to help you to see what is possible. And so many people reached out because of all the successful trades. And they said, Ken, show us a trade that doesn't work out. So I wanted to break a trade and then restore it. So that's what I've done for you right here. The focus is to just keep on showing what is possible with crypto. So let's have a look at this. What do we see here? I actually was buying at this 4960, What was Bitcoin doing? If you're new to the channel, a big, very warm welcome to you. And this blue line is Bitcoin's price action. I call it Bitcoin's gravity because the gravity of Bitcoin will affect every single alt. We must be really, really aware of that. So what was happening? Bitcoin was coming down, and I saw a little bit of a spike here on UNFI, or UNFI Protocol DAO if you want to use the correct term, but UNFI I think is pretty cool. So what did I actually do here? I didn't try to buy at the bottom. I wanted to actually show you that you can enter a trade at imperfect levels, and I'm going to show you that I exited imperfectly as well. I want to do this because I want people to take the pressure off themselves. Many people think that they must buy the bottom and they must sell the top. You don't need to do that. You can still do very well if you don't do that. In fact, professionals don't even care about doing it. So if they don't care, why should you? So let's have a look. What actually happened here? Well, we can see that I bought here at 4,960 and I sold up here at 6,080. What I typically do whenever I get a fill on a buy, I immediately set the sell order. This was a case where I didn't want to do that. I knew the price would come up around this range anyway. Of course, that's why I entered it. I knew the mechanics of this particular crypto. And that's what the masterclass allows you to do. It allows you to understand the personality of cryptos. And yeah, they do have crypto personalities. So this is an example of a reactionary sell, and I wanted to show you what happens when you do a sell but yet it keeps on going up. In fact, the sell price, the price went up 13.29% more. And what about this buy price? It actually went down 8.17% more. I could have bought it on the way down and I could have placed this sell higher. But I wanted to show you resurrection because resurrection trades are really important to comprehend. And then in the next episode, I'll show you another one. This is all for your training because I find so many people when they look into crypto, they say, oh, price has moved against me. I'm down 8%. I'll just sell. And then the price rockets up and they'll say, oh, I'll buy. And they get dephased. They'll actually end up buying at the top and selling at the bottom. I don't want that for you. I want you to be more of a financial blessing to yourself and those you love. And so this is how I'm reaching back into the community to help people get rid of this stress. Now let's have a look at the trades. And of course, I always provide the trades for you. We can see I did a buy at 4,960. That's that one there. I did a sell at 6,080. That is that one there. Okay, we've confirmed those two numbers and we know the price is about 100 and 122. What was the return on investment for this particular trade over that basic 1 day, 4 hours? And that's not really very long to accumulate about 22.58%, say 22.6%, a little bit better than bank interest. The annualized return on investment, if we were doing this all the time and rolling it over, and I don't suggest we do that, but it just shows you how fantastic this is, even though I deliberately tried to miss the bottom and deliberately tried to miss the top. I hope this gives you more confidence on what you do. You don't have to be perfect. One thing that you definitely need is knowledge, and inside the Crypto Trading KS Masterclass, I transfer my skills. The first thing is you can mark up the charts with the CTKS method, which is really important to understand the crypto's personality. And you need to spend some time doing this, or else you won't understand how different cryptos move. I think it's just so underestimated how important this particular foundational area is. Then we look outside the crypto market, collecting probabilities, look back into the crypto market to find the market's focus. We're professionals, we're not emotional. So real wealth and getting rid of self-doubt and self-sabotage comes next. Before you buy or you sell, it's really important to put money in its right perspective. And right perspective is success follows good fundamentals. It never precedes them. Should you be upset if you were in a trade like this for missing the bottom? No, you should not be. And if you're in a trade like this and you miss the top, should you be upset? No, you should not be. Never. If you make a good positive return, and just look at the annualized return, there's so many zeros in there it would be incomprehensible to read it out. So that says that you're on a pretty good path already. From the last video, Rasa13 asked, what crypto scanner do you use? I don't use any crypto scanners. What I actually do is use the CTKS method that's taught from the masterclass. And Edwin says it really well. Diamond mind plus a diamond hand plus the CTKS method comes in handy. And Tales from the Man Cave added to that. If anyone had any doubt about the CTKS method and the BORSOG concept, here is the proof that it is the way to go. And thank you everybody for your comments. Vicente, thank you my friend. We're getting better and better prepared. And Art said, I appreciate you showing the trades that didn't go right at first, then recovered. A couple of days ago, NMR was up 100% plus for a short time and filled all my sell orders, all overnight while I was sleeping. Coffee was good the next day. Thanks for showing us what can be done. And this is why I show so many different trades to you, because I want to give you a feeling of what can be done. And you're going to be really surprised what can be done inside crypto with the CTKS method. And of course, a very big congratulations to Rajat and his beloved family. They just recently had a second baby. How awesome! So Rajat is completing the masterclass and then will continue to BORSOG trades targeting 2% a day. Let's have a look at what 2% a day could look like. What does 2% look like? If you put $100 in and you got 2% per day, that would be $2, and you would just accumulate this. That annualized return on investment would be 138,324%. You can do a lot with 2%. On you, Rajat. Hopefully this particular trade takes some pressure off you. Always remember Rule 727. Don't care about missing out. Don't pull out the paper and say, I missed it by this much and calculate away. Don't do that. Burn the paper. Just bank the profits. After being in the markets for more than 30 years, if you do that, you'll just stress yourself out. You want to make this a low stress activity and just gain your experience and gain a feeling for the market. As a BORSOG trader, you know opportunities reset daily. If I can do this, you can do this too. Start small and scale. Do not leverage. Use coffee money first. And always say to yourself, and this is really important, to fight zone 1 and zone 2, which is self-sabotage and self-doubt. I am worthy of success, happiness, and financial prosperity. I win or learn. I analyze each trade. I look for the lesson. I'm 100% responsible and never blame. Knowledge and experience create fearlessness. All the best of luck and the best of knowledge to you, BORSOG clan. And I'll see you in the next trade. And of course, if you like these trades and you want to subscribe, we would love to have you as part of the BORSOG clan.